anything like me, putting together furniture, hanging pictures, just handling things around the house, this might be the drill for you. This is a cordless drill I've had for about 5 years now. I've used this drill for anything from hanging pictures all over my house to putting together furniture. It has really held up. And like I said, I've done an entire project putting up furniture in an office without having to charge it, not even once. And the battery, this has to be the craziest part. I've used this thing for about 30 times in 5 years and probably charged it about 4 times. The battery slides right off the base effortlessly. This is super simple to use. Just pull the trigger to operate the drill bit. It comes with over 15 different drill heads. Just twist the base to open the chuck and drop in the drill bit. Then just tighten it back up. It comes with a charger you can easily store in the side pocket. There's another side pocket for your drill heads or nails. So I just slide the drill right in and zip it up. So you've got forward, screw things in, switch it to backwards, take them right back out. If you're looking for a quality drill that's going to be reliable when you need it, this pink drill is for you.